now we're going down. There is basically synchronization between the weekly and the daily interval, which is great. Now we're gonna dive down to the 4 hours interval, and that's what we do. Now in the 4 hours interval, we're gonna try to locate a specific pull areas, basically a area where the price can hit and reverse. And this is basically gonna try to supply information of the range of the possible position within the day where the price can actually reach. So in the 4 hours interval, we're already marking a pool that we understand that the price can hit it, either flip and reversal, but definitely can reach out to. So we see two major pools over here, and they're both implemented in the 4 hours interval. So we understand that over here on the top, we have the supply area, major supply area, with the likability to the price to flip and reverse is significantly high. We also have a correction area which we've been implemented in 4 hours chart, and then we have another big one right here where basically 70% of the commands is already located and we're ready to get launched when the price might hit it over here. So call it over here for us is kind of a virgin area, although the price, we can see how the graph basically hits it 1, 2, and 3 times. So we understanding that if we already touched the area 3 times, the likability of the price dropping all the way down over here is relatively weaker within the day, specifically within this day, at least until we're reaching the red line over here, that basically we want to see a correction when the price is going to hit in reverse. So let us talk first off on the first station. As you can see over here, we're station 2 limit commands, different limit commands on a 5 contract of the micro contract. Why we chose the micro contract? Because we're in a very risky area. We understand that as long as we're close to the major area, the price can flip and reverse. Therefore, why risking trading the mini contract and be exposed to a high risk when you can do it on a small portion and still makes nice gains? So let's dive in. We're going now to the 50 minutes interval, and now we can see it a bit more clear where are the opportunity relies. So we see how the price behave over here. We already see that within the 15 minutes chart we have a 15 minutes pull area that marks over here, another 15 minutes order blocks that have been located over here. And we see how the price slowly start to climb up, but every time it's climb up you have to make some correction. You're going to pick up some orders at the back end and trying to basically flip and reverse when it gonna go upwards. So one possible position we station right here is we see 5 micro contract, and we stationed the stop loss right beneath the pool, and we took it all the way up over here, risking 290 and gaining $1,667.